The Proliferation module in FCS Express 5 comes standard with any professional version. FCS Express uses a sophisticated linear least squares fitting process to extract the correct information from your proliferation data and separate the populations. The Proliferation module allows you to quickly calculate proliferation statistics, change model parameters easily, and format your plots so they're ready for presentation or publication. To insert a proliferation plot, click on the Insert tab, 1D Plots, Proliferation. Then click on the layout or draw an object just like you would do in PowerPoint. If you're already working with the data file in your layout, the plot will appear. Or if needed, navigate to the location of the file on your PC and select it to open the data file in the plot. Once the proliferation plot is inserted, you can choose which parameters to use for modeling by clicking and holding on the x-axis and choosing the parameter. Once chosen, FCS Express will attempt to fit the proliferation plot with the default modeling options. If you have already created gates or an analysis to identify populations of interest or to exclude debris and clumps, your gates can be applied to the proliferation plot through a simple drag and drop. To access any of your proliferation statistics, right-click on the proliferation plot and choose from the list of available proliferation statistics. Watch as we insert the proliferation fit, proliferation population, and histogram statistics. All of the statistics and models will update as your gates change. The model options for your proliferation plot fit can be easily adjusted. To access the fit parameters for your plot, double-click on the proliferation plot and choose the proliferation category fit parameters. From the Fit Parameters dialog, you can make adjustments to the number of peaks, choose how your peak CVs are used for modeling, change the peak ratio, and choose to use a fixed value for your starting generation or background noise. More information on how each parameter will affect your data can be found on our website. Proliferation position markers can also be displayed on the plot and are most useful when your fit parameters are set to use a fixed starting generation and/or use background noise. When you choose to show the position markers with a fixed generation or background noise, you will be able to move the position markers on the plot to adjust the model. At any time, your proliferation plot can be formatted using any of the formatting options within FCS Express by double-clicking on the plot. One commonly used display option entails changing the color of each generation in the overlays category and filling the area. This results in a proliferation plot in which each generation is easily distinguishable. We have only scratched the surface of what can be done with proliferation plots in FCS Express 5, so be sure to check on the Novo software website for additional resources or contact our team of experts at support@denovosoftware.com.